our seed store, the big amount of seed that we need for large distribution are in these. Right? The walls are made of cow dung plaster, and the painting has been done by a tribal farmer who visited us. And at night he used to just get up and paint our walls with this beautiful imagery of biodiversity and sustainability. And the different conservation seeds are protected in this seed bank. Navdanya is very fortunate to have a bija whose name means the seed. Seed means the bija, and this is bija. And Prithvi, whose name means the earth. We have the seed and the earth in our team, and of course we have Darban and others. Darban means the protector, and he is the protector of seed. But Darban and Bija can now show us the seed conservation. We don't take shoes into our seed bank, so we don't bring any diseases in. The seed bank, community seed bank, where we conserve seed diversity at the level of farmers. We don't want a high-tech, high-cost system, so farmers enter and say they can do it, but we can't. We want to inspire every farmer to be able to be a seed keeper and a seed farmer. Right here, we have among our 265 rice varieties that grow on this farm, a bhatkalon, a rice that is used as the first weaning food for infants. It is used as a rice for women who have problems in pregnancy, and it is used for very, very old people who cannot eat an ordinary food. This rice is a healing rice. More black rices, red rices, brown rices, golden rices, long-grained rices, short-grained rices. We used to have 200,000 rice varieties in this country, and the Green Revolution tried to breed one variety at a time, and each of them kept failing. Because the Green Revolution was not successful in wiping it all out, we have been able to work with farmers, with Bija, with Darban, to be able to bring this issue back. At the consumer level, it is now quite clearly recognized that there is not a single consumer in the world who would willingly ask for food in ignorance about what it contains. Everywhere people are asking for labeling, everywhere people are asking for the right to choose and the right to information, and most places people with that information are saying, we don't want this stuff. Our food is better off without genetic engineering.
Every time you walk into a fast food place, every time that you buy conventional vegetables, you and I am responsible for the pesticides being used, the incredible cruelty to these animals, the destruction of our forests and wildlife, and 70% of our endangered species are created through farming and ranching in the United States. We're complicit in those moral crimes, whether we know it or not. And so it's not just an environmental crisis, it's a moral crisis, and we're never going to solve that by being mere consumers. We have to say, no, we are creating either the solution or the problem.
One of the main risk issues of genetic engineering is that 95% of all competent scientists in these fields are working for the producer side, and only 5% are really genuinely independent. They never discuss that, and that makes me suggest that maybe the situation is even worse, because I have no data for this. It's my own invention. The reason I mention it is, of course, that the percentages are 100 working for the industries and 0% that are really independent. Then we have both a very serious scientific problem in the society, but we also have a very, very serious democratic problem, as you may imagine and realize.